Ikonart stencils are reusable, but you do want to protect the adhesive with your clear sheet or a release sheet. Here are 3 different ways on how to do that. So if you want to reuse the clear sheet that comes with the stencil, you have to return the stencil back to the same side. So before you use the stencil, I'll show you 2 different ways on how to mark it to make sure you return it to the correct side. You can either take a Sharpie marker and simply write the word back on the stencil, or you can take a scissors and cut a little corner. So now, either way, after you remove the stencil, use it and then wash off the paint. When you're ready to put it back on this backer, if you wrote the word back on it, you'll know it has to be this way because that's the way you can read the word back, so you wouldn't accidentally put it on the wrong side. So that's one way. Or if you use the scissors method, that also will tell you what way to put it back on, because you'll just match up your cut corners and then it'll be on the right side. If you want to avoid using these clear sheets altogether, or if you find yourself losing them or forgetting to mark them, we also do sell release sheets. So these are specially coated silicone sheets that after your stencil is washed, you can just throw this sheet away, and then you can just use a silicone release sheet instead, and that will also protect the adhesive of your stencil without having to worry. And this one, it's very obvious what side to put it on. There's a dull side and a shiny side, and this shiny side feels kind of glossy. That's the side you want to put your clean stencils on. Whichever method you use, you just want to use something so that you protect your stencil. And we do recommend putting your stencils on your backer when they are wet. So after you washed off the paint, and then you're going to want to put them back on the backer right away. This will help protect the adhesive as the stencil dries. My name is Fawn, and I share tips and tricks on how to make and use Ikonart stencils. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time we upload.